Let's make the Mojito 3 Stars from Planteray Rum. We are going to be making this drink in the glass, and to start, we're going to crush some ice. So I've got a crusher, I've got some ice to be crushed, I'll be right back with you. Ice crushed, I'm going to fill my Collins glass with 2/3 of the way full. And I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to eyeball it. And that is more than 2/3, but it'll have to do. Now let's get some of that out of there. I don't want to overfill something. Okay, that's better. Now, I'm going to put exactly 14 mint leaves into my glass. I did count these out beforehand. You'll have to trust me. Oh, can't lose that one. That'll only be 13, and that would not be right. Next, we're going to put in our simple syrup. And I do make my own simple syrups. The recipe for that is here on the channel. If you want to check out that video, link will be down below. And I need to put in 10 milliliters, or 1/3 of an ounce, of simple syrup. Next, 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. And 2 ounces of our 3 Stars Rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Next, the instructions say to churn with a bar spoon. To me, it seems like it should be swizzled, but I'm not going to swizzle it. I'm going to churn. I think churning, it just means go up and down a little bit. If there's a technical definition for churning, let me know what it is. I think that's churned enough. I'm now going to top this off with more crushed ice. And then I'm going to top that off with some club soda. And I'm not using Shweepies anymore. Well, today I'm using a Klar Brun. Just top that off. Use a club soda of your choice. Now, garnish is a mint sprig. Wake it up. It's got work to do. Straw. And, surprisingly, a lemon twist. We should put that on the straw, huh? Let's do that. And there you have it, a Mojito 3 Stars from Planteray Rum. Drink with good spirits.